If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is getting kicked. He's not broken, really. Trust me. He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of birth, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen. The morning light is turning blue, the feeling is bizarre. The night is almost done, and I still don't know where you are. Whoa, look at that! It's beautiful. Hiccup, did you do this? No. The bowl! It's empty. Toothless, hand it. Toothless! And then it hit me. Our loved ones are always nearby when we hold them in our hearts. You wanna give this another shot? Toothless, it'll be fine. Attaboy, that's it. This is what it is to be a dragon killer. So well learned to call yourself a dragon, but can you fly? Isn't it obvious he's in love? Respect, relationships are nothing but pain and misery. This is what it is to be a dragon, Hiccup. It's all well and good to call yourself a dragon, but can you fly? I'm living in that 21st century, doing something mean to it, doing better than the same, doing straight from maze, got a nice ring to it, I guess every superhero need his theme music. Não vale a pena nem se você já perdeu a confiança. No era amor, no era amor. Eso fue lo que dijiste tú. No era amor. No era amor. Porque les debo proteger, por no dejarme caer, por amarte sin temer, hasta donde Você fez a escolha, agora aguenta a consequência. Não vale a pena mentir, você já perdeu a confiança. Vai que me traz, puta, vai que me traz. Vai que me traz, puta, vai que me deixa. If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kill you. He's no problem, really. Trust me. He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Merc, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen. Dragon master? I alone control the dragons. Sorry. And unless you let us go, right now, he will blast through you on his night fury and blow your entire fleet of ships to splinters. If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kill you. He's no problem, really. He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Merc, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen. I'm out of control when I'm crushing me. You don't tell me no, you wanna touch me on us. City lights never shine as bright as your eyes. Where have you been? Catching up with Mom. That's your mother? Well, Dad! Stoic. A great man has fallen. A warrior. Chieftain. Father. Friend. I'm sorry. I'm not the chieftain you wanted me to be. I'm not the peacekeeper I thought I was. Toothless, come on. What's the matter with you? Stop! Hiccup! Stop! Son! Dad! No! nice to finally Toothless. It's all over now. What is it? See? I told you it was in here. You're still doing that one. That's hilarious. How are you? Ever since I was a kid, I've been itching. If I was you, I could have waited. But sometimes it all over my body. Should've sworn that I never. Esto mucho me puso feliz.